It's been really nice to see the campus in person and meet a bunch of my classmates and the teachers that I've been taking classes with online. I only got to see them before through Zoom, but now you get to meet them in person and it's so great. It's been nice to actually get some hands-on experience in the lab too. So I live in a somewhat rural area in California. So I didn't have any universities very close to me where I would be able to take these classes. And I'm an RN at a hospital there. It's over in Visalia, California. And so this program, I was so fortunate to find it because it's enabled me to take these courses and the upper division courses, and they're such high quality that I feel really good about what I'm doing in order to be able to apply to med school this year. I will graduate at the end of the year before I start med school, hopefully. I get some feedback that schools might be a little hesitant with online classes, but since we've gotten this in-person experience with the lab, then I feel like it's really validating our courses and our degree for people who might have some hesitation about accepting the online classes.